Hello students, Nimshi Taylor here. I'm extremely happy to be with you. So far I have covered chapter 1 to chapter 14 and also I have covered WH question 101 and daily use of sentence 51. I hope you have gone through all that, and now I would like to teach you chapter 15. Let's go and learn. Chapter 15. Simple past tense direct verbs. This is used for telling about a past activity which is completed. Here we are not telling any continuity for the activity. Completed past activity can be told with the help of simple past direct verb. Here you should not use now. You can use yesterday, day before, yesterday, last Sunday. You could use it last Sunday or yesterday. आपको यूज़ करना है कल कुछ हुआ था. So I went home, I wrote the letter, I drank a cup of coffee with him. In this way you could use. मैं गया था, मैं बात किया था उसको, उसके साथ, ऐसे भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं, कुछ हो गया था ना. So etc. you could use it here. And here you have the subject, verb, object. सब्जेक्ट होता है ये, सब्जेक्ट ये, वर्ब्स ऑब्जेक्ट. सब्जेक्ट बोला तो हाय, आप, वी, हम लोग, यू, आप, ही, हो, शी, लड़की, शी, इट. could be used for animals or any object. You could use it. I will make the sentence here. मैं सेंटेंस बनाऊंगी, आपको थोड़ा सा आप ऐड कर सकते हैं इधर बनाते वक्त, सो अच्छा दिखता है. बिकॉज सेम थिंग रीड करने को बहुत मुश्किल हो रहा है मेरे को. सो आपको थोड़ा सा एक्स्ट्रा भी डाल सकते हैं ना, अच्छी दिखता है. सो क्लास में इसे पढ़ा रही हूँ मैं. I did my work today. से जस्ट एक वर्ड ऐड करके आप ज़्यादा बना सकते हैं, इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं. ऐसे मैं किया मेरा काम आज, और यू कुड यूज़ yesterday, कल, ऐसे भी बोल सकते हैं. We played tennis. हम लोग खेला टेनिस yesterday. You had breakfast with me this morning. आप खाया मेरे साथ ब्रेकफास्ट this morning, आज सुबह, और कल भी बोल सकते हैं आप. He read novels this morning. She worked with me. She bought book to the class. ओ लेके आया book to the class. Here ओ मेरे साथ काम किया, ऐसे भी बोल सकते हैं. Here she bought book to the class. वो बुक्स लेके आया क्लास को. It ate banana. You could use for the birds or animals. It ate banana. ओ बनाना खाया. ओ मीन्स एनिमल्स होता है और बर्ड्स होता है, आपको यूज़ कर सकते हैं इधर. I'll read these questions for you. The verbs are divided into regular verbs and irregular verbs. Normally, if you had ed to the verb, you will get the simple past and past participle forms. For example, it is here regular verbs, irregular verbs. So here, do not forget, this is a book method, textbook method. People has to write in this way. They cannot write ing form also. Some of the books are given, but with the plus ing. So you could add your ing. Do not forget that, because many time I see the student forget, they don't remember to use your ing. So that is why I have given in my verbs list, that is 4 method. Here I will read it for you with ing so that you remember. Play, playing, played, played. Ed sound comes here. I'll just talk about little bit accent here. This is only called as a accent. Play, playing, played, played. Ed sound is there here. See, D sound. Cook, cooking, cooked, cooked. Here also T sound comes. No, not ed. T. Cooked, cooked. How you are writing, like that you cannot speak. That is why you are finding it difficult to interact with others. Speaking is different from writing. D sound comes here. Work, working, worked, worked. See, I read T sound here. Not worked. Worked is a wrong way to pronounce as well as reading also. So pronounce as a T sound here when you're talking. When you're writing, it's well, good. This is a correct way of to write. Cry, crying, cried, cried. See, D sound here. Laugh, laughing, laughed, laughed. See, T sound here. You could get it. Save, saving, saved, saved. D. Here, play, play with your friend. Khelo, cook, banana. Work, work with him. काम करो उसके साथ. Cry, रो. Laugh, हंसो, हंसो. Save, save करो, कुछ save करो. Time, पैसा वगैरह save करो. Bite, biting, bit, bitten. Read, read, reading, read, read. See here, the book method, read, reading, read, read, it is there. So when we talk in the fast tense, we use read. This is writing method as well. It's fine. But in your talking, if it is fast, you have to use read. Buy, buying, bought, bought. Show, showing, showed, showed. Swim, swimming, swam, A sound here. Swam, swum. Come, coming, came, come. So bite means bite an apple and eat. So that काट के खाना apple को. Read, पढ़ो. Buy something from the shop. Buy the dress. खरीदो. Show me your book. दिखाना. Swim in the pool. Or you could use thelna in Hindi. Thelna. Come, आओ. For this chapter, I am giving you the verbs here. I have read with ing form for you. Learn these verbs for this chapter, and next chapter onwards, where there is no verbs, I shall go to the chapter 25 and teach you from there. So this is more than enough for you to learn. I shall read this question for you. There is some examples also here. If you look at the regular verbs, it is visible the rules of ed, not the way to make simple past and participle forms. So to speak with the confidence, you should learn the 3 forms of verbs, of irregular verbs. For your easy, it is given in the appendix. That means it's given here. You could learn this, and also you could learn from the verbs list. In this columns we are given this one. You could read. Some examples are there. Let us go through this. Let us see some examples here. Sentence meaning, you will get it. Well, I ate some oranges. Mini kaya oranges. Jada oranges. You could also use here, I ate an orange for the breakfast. This morning or yesterday morning, you could use. An is used for single orange. But if you would like to use 2 or 3 oranges, you could use yes here. He came to my office last Wednesday. Many kaya oranges yesterday. आपको ये एक ऑरेंज भी बना सकते हैं. I ate an orange. An is a vowel, so you could also use it. He came to my office last Wednesday. वो आया था मेरे ऑफिस को last Wednesday को. We went to Cubbon Park. हम लोग गया था Cubbon Park को. It printed the page correctly. The machine, you could use, it printed the page correctly. Or if you wouldn't want to use your it, you could use the machine, you could use. Exercise, write 5 completed activities of your friend. What has happened? Completed. So here we could use we. You could use 2 friends also. We drank cup of coffee this morning together. हम लोग कप ऑफ कॉफ़ी पिया आज सुबह, और कल भी बोल सकते हैं आप. He came at 10 o'clock to see me. वो आया 10 o'clock को मेरे को देखने के लिए, मिलने के लिए. She fought with my parents. वो मेरे पेरेंट्स के साथ झगड़ा किया. She fought with my parents. We went to the temple on Friday with family. You could also make like that. हम लोग गया था टेम्पल को मेरा फैमिली के साथ. Lots of sentence you can make. ज़्यादा sentence बना सकते हैं आप. Here we shall make some questions. This is all mixed up words. So we shall arrange in a capital in the beginning. Make sentence with the following words in the simple past direct form. We have to take here, use capital in the beginning. We present changed into past. We went to school. We went to the school. You could also use the yo. हम लोग गया था स्कूल को. He tried hard. He tried hard. वो बहुत कष्ट लगा के ट्राई किया कुछ काम करने को. They by changed into bought. They bought some clothes. They bought some clothes. वो लोग लेके आया कपड़े. I passed the examination. मैं पास हो गई एग्ज़ाम में. He drank the milk. He drank the milk. वो दूध पिया. She ran to the gate. She ran to the gate. वो दौड़ी गेट के पास. They, capital you have to start in the beginning here. I have given small letter for you to think little bit. They wrote the letter to me. They wrote the letter to me. वो लोग लिखा मेरे को letter खत. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you very much. I request you to subscribe my channel. If I'm doing something good for you, kindly subscribe and give a like. That will help me to teach you more. And have a wonderful day. Early morning I woke up and I'm just uploading this lesson for you. So have a good day and God bless you. So far I have covered chapter 15. Chapter other things you know. I have covered WH question and daily use of sentence also I covered. And the next chapter I will be teaching you chapter 16. Kindly give me your feedback, and you could call me and talk to me, not through video call. Do not call through video call. You call me through offline, I will talk to you. Thank you.